you're on Facebook ads or Instagram ads, where are you going to get your dollar to go further? The answer is luckily a pretty easy one, and it's pretty unanimous across every industry. And the answer is both. You should pretty much always do both. There's not a case where you would say, hey, I don't think our demographic is really on one of those platforms versus the other. And the reason why is because you are not targeting based off of the general demographic of the users of the app. You are targeting a very specific person. So when you get an ads manager and you set this up and you say, hey, I want to target these people, this age, they live here, this interest, like whatever it is, and then you say Facebook and Instagram are both on for placements, it's just going to show to people wherever they are that day. And it does this to an extreme level. I just worked with someone who sells a product that is a very Gen Z product. It's very viral on TikTok, and she pretty much gets all orders under 25 years old. So you would think, all right, so she shouldn't run on Facebook. But the thing is that her ad campaign, we saw it yesterday, and it showed to about 30,000 people on Instagram last week, and it only showed to about 200 people on Facebook during that same time. So 30,000 versus 200, and it's just on to both locations. And the thing is, yeah, they didn't really show up on Facebook. They're not really on there. That much is true. However, it did have some really good sales. It did have like a really big order from those 200 people on Facebook that I was like, okay, cool. Good thing it showed there still, because it is still knowing who your audience is, and then it will just show to them wherever they're hanging out that day. So you should pretty much always have your placements on to both locations. In fact, to most locations. We'll cover in a different video what to do with placements. I might even put that on the next video that I come out with, is exactly how to do Facebook ads placements, how to make that decision. It's actually pretty formatted how I would tell you to make this decision. But you're always going to want to be on Facebook and Instagram, even if you feel like one platform is better for your organic strategy, because that's like more what you're actually saying, is that is more where your effort for organic marketing is more worth it, which totally makes sense. But otherwise, the ad algorithm is just going to show to people wherever they're hanging out that day. So for the case of this client, those people, I guess they have a Facebook and they accidentally went on that day, but it worked out well because they ended up buying something, and it converted well for them. So that's really the answer to Facebook ads versus Instagram ads. I get this question a fair amount, so I figured I'd put out an answer. It really isn't the question to be asking, though. It is just that you're going to be running on both. So thank God that Meta owns both companies and makes it easy for us to do so. If you'd like some more personalized help, you can book a free call with me below and wait for some new videos coming out very soon. See you then.